y'all, and happy Thursday. My hair is a mess and my face is just breaking out and whatever, but I just got back from Sam's. I'll show you what I got. I got a 2-pack oversized throw. Oh my gosh, I'm just obsessed with blankets, and they were only $12.98. And then I just got some yoga pants that were $4 on sale, and I really like them. They're just all kind of different like styles and all that. This is a brand, and so I really like those. And then I just got some blankets and Clorox wipes. And then my Grove Collaborative box came in, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. And so, hold on. And so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. And so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let me prop you up here. And I'm gonna get the box, hold on. So, here's the box. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be opening it. I can't wait to open this. I've been waiting for this forever. It seems like forever. But we had a few bad weather days, like with snow and all that, and oh my gosh, my braids are really crazy. But we've had a few bad weather days, and so it's been pushing it off. So yeah, gonna open it now. Let's see if you guys can see. Let's see. Okay, so I guess all of this. What does this mean? What? What does that mean? It's not sure what the highlighted mark means. I mean, it's, I didn't get that. I'm charged for it. Okay, we'll just see. Maybe it's coming next shipment? I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, you know, I think it probably will come in next shipment. Okay. Okay, I guess it could come in next shipment. Okay, but I got some scrubs. And then I got these stoneware trays. I'm so excited about these. Like, they're gonna go on my kitchen sink. And I got another one for the bathroom. I'm just obsessed with Grove Collaborative, you guys. And then I have a towel, like a kitchen towel. Okay, so this is what all I have for free, I think. But I did place a lot of stuff, and so I bet that's probably going to come in the next shipment, I believe. It has to, because I don't have it, so that's probably gonna be. Okay, so I know I'm out of focus, but I'm just gonna show you what I have in here. And I got this for free. Like, how cute is this? So pretty much, I will give you my link there. You can get all of this. I believe you just gotta pay $20, and you will get this for free. You get this free. You get just a lot of stuff for free. And I'm so sorry you can like barely see my face, but I'm gonna show you what I have. So I have this Bubble Up soap dispenser and dish brush. I cannot wait to try this. This is gonna sit on my kitchen sink. So I have that. And then apples, I cannot talk, I'm so excited. Dish soap, the apple cider one. Oh, I'm like so obsessed. I'm gonna open it right now and smell it. Let me smell it. Oh my gosh, that smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is definitely, even though it's in the middle of January, I believe. Yeah, it's January 18th. This smells so good. And then I did get some of this. It's the Burt's Bees acne solution purifying cleansing gel. So they have Burt's Bees, they have Mrs. Meyer's, they just have a lot. They have Method, so they just have a lot of good stuff. And as you can tell, I am breaking out with acne, and I've been on medicine for it, and I just don't think it's helping. I mean, I've only took it a few days, but I just don't know. I don't know. I've been hearing all great things about this, and I believe it's only like $9 or something, and so I wanted to try that. And then I got this multi-service spray in the scent Basil. So I'm so excited about that. And then this cute little bucket that I'm going to use for like all my cleaning supplies and all that. And so that's all I got at Grow Collaborative. Cannot talk, but I just really love it. And I'm fixing to put these out right now. I'm going to show you guys, but I'm just so excited about that. And I ordered a whole lot of more other stuff. And so hopefully that will be coming soon. Let me turn this heater down because it is hot in here. We've been having, you know, water problems because, you know, it's been so cold outside, and it's working. And I guess our insulation isn't very good where we live. And so, yeah, we really haven't had no water. But now that it's working good and we have water, where can I put you guys? Just sit you right there for a second. But we have water, and yeah. So we're gonna open this. We're gonna see. There we go. We're gonna see. Let me just move all this stuff. Just put it back in the box. And they really package it really well, honestly. I'm really surprised. Not really surprised, but some companies, they don't really package things really well, but they really do. But so I'm gonna open this. Oh, that's right. I didn't get my. That's Saturday. So I've got like all my hand soaps, and all of that. So I'm really, I don't know if I want to put this out because I don't have my hand soaps yet. But we'll just see how it looks though, because I'm just kind of really curious to see what it's gonna look like. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with this. Just love how like clean it looks. Let's see. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just love this, you guys. Of course, I'm gonna have like the hand soap goes next to it, but it looks really good. I'm gonna have like the hand soap. I'm probably not gonna put that on there. I'm gonna have the hand soap instead of that, but I just kind of wanted to see what it would look like. But that's really neat. I love that. So yeah, it's so hot in here. Oh my gosh, it's like burning up in here. But I'm going to fix and start my laundry. We're fixing to turn it into the dryer. I have all that laundry, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, and I am honestly, it's just the two of us, you guys. It's not, no kids or nothing. And we have so much laundry. It's like, oh, really? I just have a lot of laundry. And so, be right back. I wanted to get this and see what that would look like. Cute. Okay. And so, there's that. Also got one for the bathroom. I'm gonna see what it looks like in there. And see where I kind of want to put it at. I'm so sorry you cannot see my face, but it's okay. We're gonna take this back in here. You guys, yesterday, I feel so crazy. Yesterday, hold on. Yesterday, where can I set you right? Yesterday, as I was cleaning and I was just organizing, and all of that fun stuff. I have this new candle, and it's a Yankee Candle, you guys. I dropped it and I busted it. The whole entire thing broke. The candle, brand new candle. The candle is still fine, but I have no idea what to do. I don't know if I can even reuse it because I don't want it to go to waste. But I know I don't want to use it and burn down my house because I don't have a jar to put it in. So I have no idea what to do. I've been trying to Google and I just don't know, like nothing, I don't know. So I'm thinking, I mean, it may, I don't know, like it may be a goner, and it sucks because it was Yankee Candle, and Yankee Candle is like not cheap, but luckily I got it on sale. But still, I don't know what to do. So I was very disappointed. I can't believe I broke it. But what you gonna do about it? My hair is like so crazy. I'm in the process of growing it out, and man, I don't know if it's working, but I gotta do all of that laundry, wash yoga pants and those blankets, and yeah. So I got the excuse me, the tray out, but I can't. I just have that in it because I don't have the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. I do have the dish soap, but I'm trying to use up all the dish soap I have before I break into it. So I'm gonna see when my other orders is supposed to be in. It sucks that they did it 2 different shipments. I guess maybe because it was like a big order, but we'll see. Let's see. I think it's supposed to be in like this weekend or something, which I'm like, I wish it was in now because I was so excited about all the hand soaps that I got, but it's okay. Let's see. I'm so excited about the mint collection of Mrs. Meyer's. I cannot wait for that. I'm so excited. But my hair's crazy. How many times am I gonna say that? But I'm just really excited. I don't have the all the other stuff that I have that I bought, but it's okay. It'll come in this weekend and I can put it out. But I'm just watching TV and there's really nothing on. But I gotta put away some laundry and start some laundry, and then that's all I got really going on today. There's really not much, just, you know, cleaning, all that fun stuff. But yeah, there's like nothing on TV. I hate that too. Like, I hate it when there's nothing on TV. But I just got back, we just got back from Sam's and got a lot of goodies. They had a lot of stuff. Hold on. Sorry, I was thirsty. But we just really haven't done much today. My husband works the weekends, so well, I don't really like it when he works because our weekends are our weekends, and that's when we like do stuff together, when we just run our errands and just, you know, be lazy or just hang out together. But whatever. But that's what I got going on. And then yeah, I will catch you guys up when I vlog in a little bit, but I wanted to show you something before I got off the vlog. Let me turn these lights off for a second because I wanted to show you what I got in the mail yesterday. And it is this awesome diffuser. It is the Vava diffuser. I showed it in, or I was talking about it in my other vlog, and I was saying that I ordered it and all that. And it just changes colors. Excuse me. And it's really cool. It looks like that. I'll turn on the light in a minute, but it's really, really good. I really love it. And so there's that, and then I'll turn on the light for you guys so you can see. And then that's what it looks like with it on. I'm not too crazy about this. I wish it was like like a different color maybe, or just like it wouldn't look like woody, I guess, like wood. But I've heard great things about it, and I just really love the design on the light. But I'm not too crazy about how it looks like it's wood right here, but it's okay. I still like it. Then I have that out, as I was showing a while ago. I can't wait to get the other stuff. I got hand soap and Bluebell, dish soap and Bluebell, hand soap and Ohio Pine, I guess that's how you say it, and dish soap and peppermint. And then that was gonna be my next shipment, so I will unbox that too. And so I really love Grow Collaborative. I'm on their, what's it called? I'm on their, I'm really thinking about going VIP with them. Like, it's like, first off, when you first sign up, it's a 60-day free trial. And then you can decide whether or not you want to continue with Grow Collaborative. And I believe that's what I'm gonna do. Mine expires March something. And then the free trial will expire March whatever. And then you can decide whether or not you want to keep it going. And so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna keep it going because I just really love their deals. I love Mrs. Meyer's, and I just really love the company. So I'm really glad I got that in today. So I'm just gonna chill out and kind of catch up the house, like do some laundry, some cleaning, all that fun stuff. And yeah, I will vlog. Not sure when I will vlog, but I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.